Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at an iPad or a tablet clip holder. And the reason why we have this box, or why we got this adapter, is that this thing's kind of cool because it lets you take your tablet, or in our case, we have a Viewsonic monitor that we need to be able to mount, and we use this little clip holder. And basically, the clip holder is kind of neat because it holds our Viewsonic really well. It's got a good depth on the bracket itself, and you can rotate it. So I can tilt it and I can rotate it. It's a perfect little setup for either your iPad or your tablet, or in this case, the ViewSonic monitor. That's it. That's the rotating double pull tablet clip holder. Thank you.